Hello from Gill Welding and Fabrication. We've got a video here to kind of explain the Dutra Duals a little bit from Aussie Speed. These are a very nice setup for cast iron style manifold that'll split it and basically give you duals. Some people will put them from duals into two into one. Some people take them and they run duals all the way out. You can do pretty much whatever you want like that, but we really want to show you is how very robust these are. This is a very stout manifold. It's thick. It's a half-inch thick here on the flanges. There's room to do a little bit of porting right here if you need to match port just a little bit. There's plenty of beef all the way around. They're milled top, milled on the bottom. Of course, nice face mill right here. They give a good flat surface when you go to bolt them on. And what we have on the engine right here is we have both the front and the rear. And from 2019 onward, the Dutra Duals changed on the back. Used to there was a flange back here that angled a different way. But from 2019, when Aussie Speed started putting these out, this is what you've got. It's basically everything we model our turbo manifold pieces and different exhaust manifold attachments on here. We go off of this model of the Dutra. And again, to show you just a little bit more, nice thick flange right here. 3H16 on the bolts right here. You can see maybe down in here if you can, there's a kind of like a divider right there. So when the exhaust flows out and down, it's not exactly just going to ram right into the other exhaust. It actually hits this little ramp right in here, this divider, and helps to flow outward. And these are very, very, I think if I'm not mistaken, this is a 2-inch, around a 2-inch orifice right here on this one. This is a nice manifold. It comes, you'll see, sometimes it'll be in black, sometimes it'll be in silver. It's not really a color that's there for high heat. What it is basically to keep because they're cast iron, is to keep them from rusting. So when you get a set of these, you might as well figure that you can let it burn off if that's what you want to do. You can take a solvent of some kind, a paint stripper, and get that off, and just run them raw if that's really what you want them to do, and to turn give that patina that after they get a certain amount of rust to them. Some people like that. I personally like something that's a high heat coating. I'm generally a person that likes the black. That's whatever that you want to do, that's pretty much up to you. And if you can see the nice way that they are, that they're planed up on the top, the way they've milled them off, this is our alignment bar, and you can see that it fits perfectly across there. There's no gaps, there's nothing under here. It really does a good job with the bar, but you don't have to have the bar. But if you order from us, you can get you'll get the Dutras. If you order the bar, you'll get the bar, and then of course the stainless fasteners. All the fasteners that we send are stainless, and you get also you'll get this the flanges, which you can weld to. Hopefully you're going to put stainless to stainless, because that is a stainless flange, and we have stainless hardware that goes here. And so that's basically, you can get this whole kit right here, and we supply everything that you need pretty much to put that on there. I don't know of anything at this particular second right now that I can remember that you'll need to pick up other than your gasket in here, and we sell those too. But that's what we wanted you to look at and see just how well things are made. Flange is really nice. It's a 3/8 thick stainless flange, half-inch thick up here on the bar. Just a beefy setup, and like I say, we would strongly suggest that you put a high heat coating on these manifolds, because they do radiate pretty good once you get the heat flowing through them. But they'll last you a long time. They're very thick. Well, anyway, that's all we've got for today, and we thank you for watching another video.